Welcome to a new video. We are going to do some homeware craft because I'm sick of the visual noise in our rented flat. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Amelia. Please call me Millie if you think we're friends. We thrift on this channel and then do some traveling and also some craft. This is a crafting video, so if you like those sort of things, please subscribe. We sit on this sofa, or that sofa, can you see? And the visual noise looking at the TV is crazy. There's just too much on this wall that it needs to be sorted. I think I'm going to use some fabric to cover some of the visual noise because we have like a media console here that just has bits that you can see. I'll show you what I need covered. This media console is just an IKEA console. Originally it was really cool, but now it's not. It's had its time. We don't really want to buy a new console because we'll eventually move and buy something more fitting of where we're going to move to. So I did the cheaper option by buying this really, really nice fabric from Hobbycraft, which is just like a UK craft place. We can just tack the fabric there. Do you see? Do you see what I'm saying? I think that'll look cute. Better than seeing like the Xbox here. Do you see? Got the Xbox, got controllers, got like media boxes, a bookend, games. Just, it needs less. It just needs less. It needs less. So we're gonna make it less. I do need to measure, however, so bear with me. Gonna measure the frame so that I can tack the Velcro here, maybe just here and here, rather than having it on the inside, which I think will not. Ow. Ow, that's really sharp. Ow. So no more than 46 centimeters. So I need that times by 3. Oh, by how deep? 43 by no more than 40. So let's do 43 by 39. 43 by 39. I'm gonna play some Smosh, so hopefully you don't hear that in the background too badly.
I'm gonna be honest, I just put down a card because we hadn't played in forever. I was like, I'm just gonna put down. You know what? I'm gonna pull up something else just for fun because I kind of miss that.
We are gonna now sew on the hook and loop fastening, the Velcro.
Scrabby, Scrooty, and Scrody. Crabby and Scrooty.
No, no. Doing it wrong already. Oh my god. It needs to be on this side.
Thank you. You guys.
Right? Yeah, yes, yes, yes. Hello, we've reached the end of the video. Thank you for stopping by and crafting with me if you played along, and I think everything turned out really, really nicely. I'm so happy. It's so pretty to just see less stuff. I didn't know how much I really enjoyed that. And then just like tidying our knickknacks has like given me like a new lease of life in this lounge. And I love seeing the things that I've made, the pieces in the lounge that like I've made just in situ, like in purpose. I think that's really, really nice to see. And I feel like a good sense of pride from what I've accomplished. Very, very happy, and I'm really looking forward to being able to change out the curtains on the console. I think that's going to look really nice with like different colours and things. Maybe I could do like a red for Christmas or something, or even like a gingham or a tartan for Christmas. The possibilities are endless, which excites me to no end. I have lit a pumpkin candle, so I do feel very Summerween at the moment. And then earlier I was listening to like rainstorm sounds and I was like, it's Summerween. It's time to get spooky in like the summer nights. And I feel very Summerween in my night shirt, my night dress, and I couldn't be happier with how this evening has turned out, how this project has turned out. I'm so grateful and so happy, and I've rearranged things, and I'm just so happy. This video was a success. I got out what I wanted to achieve, and I'm very, very motivated to do more things. Next week's video is going to be a thrift with me, obviously, because I love a thrift. And the pieces that I managed to get are so good. I actually managed to get a whole outfit, but that I'll show you more in the video. And I hope you enjoyed that one as much as you enjoyed this one, or even more. And if you feel like subscribing, that'd be so good if you could. We are so close to my goal of 200 subscribers this year. And I will see you soon. Love you, bye. Oh my god, I'm so